So hello friends, welcome to my channel Mathematical Adda, and uh, we have just now started the rational numbers chapter, in which we have covered the first A exercise. Now we are moving to the first B exercise. So this is our first question given in the first B exercise, which is find the additive inverse of these six rational numbers. So an additive inverse of a rational number is equals to, they are not equal to. This is the additive inverse of this rational number, and this rational number is the additive inverse of this rational number. Uh, there should be a minus sign, then it would become a additive inverse of the own rational number. So in this case, 9 divided by 13, let's consider 9 as A and 13 as B. So 9 divided by 13 is, and its additive inverse is minus 9 divided by 13. Because A is equals to 9 and B is equals to 13. So 9 divided by 13, and the additive inverse is minus A divided by B. So it will become minus 9 divided by 13. This is our second rational number which is given to us. Now we will do the same in this. Additive inverse of 16 divided by 7 is minus 16 divided by 7. Additive inverse is basically a number in which any rational number is added. Suppose this is added, the additive inverse is added, so the answer becomes 0. Now let's take an example. If we add 9 divided by 13 to minus 9 divided by 13, then it will become 9 divided by 13 minus 9 divided by 13. 9 and 9 will be cancelled, it will become 0 divided by 13, which will be equal to 0 only. So the sum of additive inverses is always equal to 0. Now this third number, which is minus 3 divided by 23, the additive inverse of minus 3 divided by 23 will be 3 divided by 23, because if we add 3 divided by 23 with minus 3 divided by 23, we will get the answer 0. So this is the additive inverse of this number. So we have found the additive inverse. Now we are moving to the fourth. In fourth, the additive inverse of 8 divided by 11. So now this minus sign will be transferred to the upper side, which will become minus 8 divided by 11, and like in this question, the minus will be removed in the additive inverse. Now this is the fifth. In fifth one also we will be doing the same, which is removing the minus, and we will get the additive inverse of this rational number. And in this case, both have minus sign, so minus sign will be cancelled out and it will become 11 minus 9. So in the first case, this 9 divided by 13, additive inverse would become minus 9 divided by 13. So our additive inverse will become minus 11 by 9. So we have found the first question. Now we are found the answers to the first question. Now we are moving to the second question. So this is our second question given to us. Find the sum of these rational numbers. So we have the first given as minus 7 divided by 17 plus 6 divided by 17. So as the denominator is same, we would not consider the LCM part. We would only just subtract or add these. So as it is given minus 7 plus 6 divided by 17. Now we can also write this like 6 minus 7 divided by 17. Now it will become minus 1 divided by 17. So this is the answer of the first question, first part. Second part, minus 5 divided by 12 plus 7 divided by 12 minus 12. So this minus would be transferred to the upper side. It will become minus 5 divided by 12 plus minus 7 divided by 12. Now as the LCM, as the denominators are same, so we will write like this: minus 5 plus minus 7 divided by 12. Now plus this bracket will be removed and plus minus are equal to minus. Minus 5 minus 7 divided by plus, and if there is given minus on both the sides, so the values will be added, but the answer will acquire the sign of negative because negative is dominating here. Now 12 and 12 will get cancelled and it will become, the answer will become minus 1. Minus 1 is the answer. Now we are moving to the third part. Now in the third part, the denominators are not same. As you can see, 15 and 12. So we have to take out the LCM uh, of these 15 and 12. The LCM of 15 and 12 we will take out here. 15, 12. First we will divide it by 2. 15 cannot be divided by 2. So 15 will be transferred as it is down. Now 12 can be divided by 2. It will become 6. Now again by 2. It will become 3. Now by 3 5s are 15. 15 can be divided by 3 finally, and answer will become 5, and this will be 1. Now 5, 1 and 1. Now the multiplication of these digits will be equal to the LCM of 15 and 12. 15 into 4, which is 60. 60 is the LCM of 15 and 12. So now the values which we have to put, we will write our LCM here, and the values which we have to add here will be determined by this method. So as you can see, 8 divided by 15 multiplied by, we have to multiply it by the LCM, which is 60. 15 4s are 60, 8 4s are 32. And now 5 divided by 12 into 60, 12 5s are 60, and 5 into 5 are 25. Now here we will write the digits 32 plus 25. And now 57 divided by 60 will become our answer. So these are the answers of first, second and third part. Now we are moving to the next part. So these are the next parts, which is question number, which are of the question number 2. Now it is given to us that we have to find the sum of this. So now we will transfer this minus to the upper, the nominator side. So it will become minus 11 divided by 18 plus minus 5 divided by 12. And now we will find the LCM of 12 and 18. So LCM of 12 and 18 we will find by this method. Now the multiplication of these numbers will be the LCM of 12 and 18. How we have found it? We have found it by the by writing 12 and 18 here, and dividing 12 by 2, which will become 6, and dividing 18 by 2, which will become 9. Now 2 will be divided, 2 will divide 6, which will become 3, and 2 will not divide 9. So 9 will be carried as it is downwards. Now 3 would divide all the both 1 and 3 will become the quotient of these divisions. Now 3 will again be written because here is 3 remaining. We have to simplify that. It will become 1 and 1. So as now the digits which we have got here, the multiplication of these digits will be the at the LCM of 12 and 18. So 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 3 is 12, and 12 into 3 is 36. So now 36 is the LCM. Now we will find the addition. Minus 11 divided by As 36 are LCM, so 36 we will write here, and the values which we have to put here, we will determine by this method. 11 divided by 18 multiplied by 36. Now as this minus sign is here, minus 11 into 2, it will become minus 22. And minus 5 divided by 12 into 36. 12 divided by 36 divided by 12, it will become 3. And minus 5 into 3 is minus 15. So now the digits to be written here is minus 22 and minus 15. Plus minus are equal to minus, so it will become like this. And as minus sign is dominating here, so we will add the both the values 22 and 15, but we will write the answer will acquire the negative sign. Minus 37 divided by 36 will be our answer of this sum. Now fifth one is many denominators are given us. Now we will find the uh, LCM of all these, which is 6, 4, 8 and 3. Now we have told many times the uh, method of LCM. So we will divide it by 2 and the remaining numbers would be carried out because they are not divided by 2. Again we will repeat because there is 1 2 remaining here. Now we will divide it by 3. So 2 multiplied by 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8 and 8 into 3 is 24. So 24 is the LCM of 6, 4, 8 and 3. Now 24, as 24 is the LCM, we will determine the values which will be written in these places by the method, this method. 6 4 are 24 and 11 minus 11 into 4 is minus 44. Minus 3 divided by 4 into 24. 4 6 are 24 and minus 3 into 6 will become minus 18. Now 5 divided by 8 multiplied by 24. 8 3s are 24 and 5 into 3 is 15. Now minus 7 divided by 3 into 24. 3 8s are 24 and minus 7 into 8, 56. Minus 56. Now we will write the values here, minus 44 and minus 18, 15, 15 and minus 56. So now we will add or subtract these values for getting our answer. So minus plus is minus, minus 44, minus 18, plus 15, minus plus minus, which is minus 56, divided by 24. Now 56 plus 44 will become minus 100 and minus 18 plus 15 will become minus 3 divided by 24, which will become minus 103 divided by 24. So this is our answer of the fifth part. Now we are moving to the sixth part. So as here is in the denominator side there is minus sign, it will be transferred to the upper side, which will be 4 divided by 7 plus minus 2 divided by 3 plus 5 divided by 21 plus minus 8 divided by 9. Now we will find the LCM of 7, 3, 21 and 9. 7, 3, 21, 9. 3, again 3. Now we will divide by 7. 7 into 3 is 21 and 21 into 3 is 63. Now the LCM of 7, 3, 21 and 9 is 63. 7 9s are 63. 4 into 9 is 36. Minus 2 divided by 3 into 63 will become 21, which will become 42. Minus 42. 5 divided by 21 into 63 will become 3 here. It will become 15, and minus 8 divided by 9 into 63 will become minus 56. So now here we will write 36 plus minus 42 plus 15 plus minus 56. Now we will determine the values. It will be of minus divided by 63. Minus 47 divided by 63 will become our answer. So we have found the value of question number 2, second part also. Now we are moving to our third question. So this is the third question given to us, subtract. So we have to subtract 2 divided by 3 from 5 divided by 6. So the first digit to be written is 5 divided by 6 because it is saying from 5 divided by 6. Now the LCM will become 6 only. 2 divided by 3, this digit will become 4. 5 minus 4. So our answer will be coming 1 divided by 6. Uh, because the bigger number is 6 only, so we will take the LCM as 6 only of 6 and 3. And as 5 divided by 6 multiplied by 6 will become 5 only, so we are skipping that part. And 2 divided by 3 multiplied by 6. Now this has the conversation of the number, so we have done this part only, not this part. Now we have subtracted the value and the answer is 1 divided by 6. So we are moving to our next question, which states that minus 2 divided by 5 from 5 minus 5 divided by 7 we have to subtract. So first we have to write this digit minus 5 divided by 7 minus 2 divided by 5. Now 7 and 5, as the 7 and 5 and prime numbers, so LCM is the multiplication of the prime numbers of the 7 and 5. So 7 and 5 is 35, and there is a short trick of LCM method. If you are multiplying these two for getting the LCM, so you can multiply this by this and this by this, so you can get the numbers which will be written here. 5 into 5 is minus 25 and 7 into minus 2 is minus 14. So our answer will be coming minus 25 Minus minus sign will become plus. Plus 14 divided by 35. So now we can write like this only. This also 14 minus 25 divided by 35. So now our answer will become minus 11 divided by 35. So this is the second question which is completed. Now we are moving to the third part. We have to subtract minus 7 divided by 8. We have to subtract 4 divided by 9 from minus 7 divided by 8. So now we will again take the LCM as 72, the multiplication of these two numbers for making the calculation easier. 9 7 is 63, which will be minus 63. 8 4 is 32, which will be minus 32. So minus 63 minus minus will become plus 32 divided by 72. Now we can also write this like this: 32 divided by 32 minus 63 divided by 72. So our answer will be coming minus 31 divided by 72. This is the fourth part. This is the answer of the third part. Now we are moving to the fourth part. We have to subtract minus 11 by 6 from 8 divided by 3. So we will here take the LCM 6 only. Now 8 divided by 3 multiplied by 6, which will become 16. 16 minus minus 11, because it is minus 11. So now minus minus will become plus 16 plus 11 divided by 6. So it will become 27 divided by 6. Now this can be simplified like this: 3 2 are 6 and 3 9 are 27. 9 divided by 2 will be our answer for this question.